Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Mida J and I'm new to YouTube. I have a lot of great videos coming. Please subscribe to my channel to watch my upcoming videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make a hair growth mask with fenugreek seeds to use as a pre-poo on my hair. Please like this video. For this hair mask, you're going to need fenugreek seeds, bay leaves, cloves, rosemary, and ginger. You are going to also need some water because you are going to boil all these together for 10 to 15 minutes. I will also use different kind of herbal hair care powder. I forgot to mention that I also added sage and parsley in the pot. You're going to see that. So after boiling all these for 10 to 15 minutes, you're going to strain it. You're going to put some of the water aside. I will tell you what to do with it in the next video. Then you're going to blend everything with the water that remains in it. I also added an egg before blending it. After blending it, you are going to strain again, and then you're going to add some hair growth oils of your choice. Mix them together and add the mixed powder to the mixture. Stir until you get a smooth consistency, and that's it, guys. You have a fenugreek seed hair mask. And trust me, this will help grow your hair because it contains a lot of hair growth ingredients in it. If you enjoy watching this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. In the next video, I will show you how I apply this as a pre-poo before I wash my hair. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.